Welcome back, you guys. So today's video I am super excited for because I've been to Michael's craft store, and y'all, I got two grab boxes. I am so impatient, y'all. I want to open this box right now in the car. And it's a big box too, y'all. So let's get into this video. Let's see what we got. The box was $10. I got two of them. So we're gonna see if there's anything in here that we can use or if it's just junk. Let's see. Okay, you guys, please don't mind my car, but this is the box. This is how big it is, and I got two of them. Y'all see it's all taped up, so I am literally opening this box on camera with you guys. I want to be just as surprised as you are as to what is in this $10 box. Okay, y'all. I had to use this little thing, and I still couldn't get it open. Yeah, something is telling me. It's kind of like a Christmas present, but something is telling me that this one is kind of a little bit of junk. Y'all. Okay, so this is the first item. So this is a picture of the flag that say Home of the Brave. And this was valued at $26.99. Okay, let's see what else is in this box. Okay, yeah, the next item is this little car, and it has flags on it, and this one is valued at $20. This is the second item. Let's see what else we got. Okay, yeah, I'm literally just gonna put my hand in here and pull stuff out. Okay, y'all, this is a little tabletop decor. It's got the flag on it. It's a little owl, is it? And this is valued at $16.99. This is some ribbon, valued at $9.99. Two ribbons, another ribbon, 5 ribbons, these little red, white, and blue celebration pick, another ribbon, a home sign, Party in the USA t-shirt. Yeah, this box. This was the 4th of July box because nobody wanted to celebrate the 4th of July this year. These are celebration toppers, valued at $2.99. This is, y'all, this box is some bullshit, okay? This is a garden flag. It says Happy 4th of July. Valued at $15. Whatever this is, I'm sure this is missing. A tabletop decor valued at $17. Yeah, I want to take this box back and get a refund. Okay, you guys, we had to take a little break because the ice cream truck came. No, I did not run to the ice cream truck, but I should have went to the ice cream truck. So, y'all, these are sprinkle icing decorations, and they expire 3/3/26. These are table scatters, and they're $10. Little stars. Okay, we got a cute little headband for $8. Okay. We got another little headband. And y'all, it has little flags on it and little bedazzles. Okay. More ribbon. Just sliding off. Okay, what else? Yeah. I literally cannot do nothing but laugh at this box because it is hilarious. Look at the stuff that's in this box. Like, what the fuck am I gonna do with this stuff? Okay, y'all, this is a little table decoration. Yeah, I don't even decorate my house for the 4th of July. This is another little tabletop decoration, and they're glass. It's 2 of them, a big one and a little one. Some more ribbon. So y'all, it's like 8 ribbons. These are light up pom-pom wands. So they light up. Yeah, the batteries might be dead. And these are valued at $10. One of these balls is $10. One is $13. If y'all are wondering about the price. Another sprinkle candy decoration. Another ribbon. Home Sweet Home. This is $5. Another little y'all know, like those little decorations. Yeah, this might be the little hat for the little owl, because it looked like the top looked like it was missing something. Some more ribbon. Y'all, this box was literally packed with ribbons. USA foil blooms. We almost put it in, y'all. More ribbon. Some treat sticks, bakeware from the bakeware section. There's 2 more things. Light up sunglasses. And y'all, these, they got batteries in it, but it's not lighting up, so the batteries are probably dead. So that, and one more item. Okay, you guys, the last item is this flag bunting, and it looks like a little like table decor, and that is valued at $15. So yeah, y'all, happy 4th of July. So this was the $10 box from Michael's. As y'all see, it literally was a 4th of July box, y'all. I mean, a little disappointed because okay, a little disappointed because I don't decorate for the 4th of July, y'all. So I would literally never have brought any of this stuff, and I don't have any use for it. So yeah, I guess I'll probably just try to resell it on Poshmark. So this is what was in the $10 grab bag box, y'all. But I got one more box, so let's see what is in that box, y'all. Okay, y'all, remember I showed y'all this? It does go on top of here. Remember I told y'all that something was missing? So this is how he goes with the little top of the hat. Okay, y'all, let's open the other box. If it is 4th of July stuff, I am literally going to cry, but let's see.